Yes.
So yesterday the BJP took the press conference saying that there is no need of minority commission. What do you like to say?
See, if you look during the time the BJP has come and you look at the amount of episodes of communal tension in the state of Goa, how much of communal tension has been raised. Khas karun, last year there was a big agitation. People were on roads asking for protection of their rights. From 2012 to 2025, how many communal tension episodes have happened? How many had happened in the past? Minority Commission is an authority, is a neutral authority that is required in the state of Goa to protect the rights of the minorities. And this is something that I believe, if you look what happened in Chhattisgarh, we raised it here. Why will it not happen in Goa? So what happened in Manipur? Till today, whatever is happening in Manipur, this government does not want to even debate on it. Prime Minister also doesn't debate on it. So whoever is saying, Magadista ki basic need is that the minority commission should be put in place. It is a right that is given as per the statutes. It is a right that is given as per our constitution. So I fail to understand why they are fearing it. It is a right and they have to make sure that the minority commission has been appointed.